some of the important truths you need to know, because you are settled, your pattern looks more natural and comfortable, possible for you than your possibility. ध्यान से सुनिए, because you are settled, because you are habituated, the pattern looks possible and your possibility impossible. The biggest block in the road of your completion and creation is not the smallness of your pattern, but the bigness of your possibility. I tell you, even after having enlightenment at the age of 12, it took 10 years for my biomemory to believe that is the ultimate truth. Please understand, at the age of 12, I had enlightenment experience. Always I was attracted to that experience because of the joy I experienced in that state. Not because I believed that is the ultimate truth. Please try to get it. I was not in love with enlightenment because it is ultimate truth. I was in love with enlightenment because of the joy and bliss that state brought. It means it is not a complete right attitude, because the bigness, please listen, the bigness is the biggest block. It is not that easy to believe your bigness. Your biomemory loses power over you. You lose power over you when you believe your bigness. Believing in your bigness gives you the biggest breakthrough. Believe in your bigness. I tell you, I will not ask any of my disciples, followers to believe in anything, including the miracle powers attributed to me. Listen. I will not ask any of my disciple or follower to believe in anything, including the miracle powers attributed to me. But I will sincerely recommend you believe in the bigger possibility of you. Even if you believe the miraculous powers attributed to me, it will only be a little support for you in your life. But if you believe the bigger possibility in you, it will revolutionize your whole life. Life possibility of expansion. Unfortunately, human beings get frightened about the possibility of expansion. That is why the society always teaches you, what is there? Let us have one house and little food and one small family. Let us be content. Content is taught to you in the wrong context. I tell you, human beings need completion, not contentment. In the context of completion, contentment may happen, but in the context of contentment, completion should not happen. Please listen. In the context of completion, contentment may happen, but in the context of contentment, completion should not be tried. Please understand, even your ignorance is nothing but your fear of expansion. Even your ignorance is nothing but fear of expansion. Many times you continue to be in ignorance, you continue to have ignorance, you continue to pretend to be in ignorance because of your fear of failure. Why do you feel the fear of responsibility? Why you so much fear about responsibility? Because it brings you more and more of your possibilities to your light. Means you can't continue to be asleep. You have to wake up. Wealth wakes you up to more responsibility. Health wakes you up to more responsibility. Happy relationships wakes you up to more responsibility. Everything you love wakes you up to more responsibility, which you don't like. I can see in my life, whenever I decided to break the pattern of laziness, whenever I decided to expand, go with authenticity, I was only added with more and more of completion and joy, not with tiredness. I tell you, tiredness frightens you, saying, if you wake up whole night and work, go to the extreme of you will become tired next day and you will not be able to do any work. Tiredness constantly keeps you under its clutch by frightening you. Tiredness has its own intelligence. Laziness has its own intelligence. It will tell you, no, if you do this, you can't do that, then choose between these two. No. Who is saying choose between these two? That fellow himself should be thrown out. If somebody says choose between that two, don't choose that fellow. Complete with the pattern of laziness, complete with the pattern of tiredness, complete with the pattern of impossibility. Allow integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching to happen in you.